So next we will take a 3 by 3 matrix. I am naming the matrix as A. And the first step is take A is equal to I into A. So left side we will give the matrix 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2. And right side we have to write the identity matrix. Since A is of order 3 by 3, we have to write the identity matrix of order 3. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. So what is the first step? We have to make the first row, first element as 1. We can divide the first row with the 2, but the easier method is interchange the first row and the third row. Okay, interchange the first and the third row. So second row remains the same, 2, 2, 3. Here also second row remains the same, 0, 1, 0 into A. First row becomes the third row. So 2 minus 3, 3. On the right side also 1, 0, 0. And the third row becomes the first row. So first row is 3 minus 2, 2. And here it is 0, 0, 1. Now to make the first row, first element 1 is very easy. What we can do is either we subtract R1 and R2 or we subtract R1 and R3. So I am going to do R1 changes to R1 minus R2. So which two rows remains the same? Second and the third row. So 2, second row 2, 2, 3 has no change. Third row 2 minus 3, 3 has no change. Here also 0, 1, 0 has no change. 1, 0, 0, same. What you have to do with the first row is subtract first row and the second row. So 3 minus 2 gives you 1. Minus 2 gives you minus 4. 2 minus 3 gives you minus 1. Again, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So we got a 1 in the first row. Again what we have to do is we have to make these two elements as 0. So we are going to change it together. R2 changes to R2 minus 2 R1. 2 minus 2 gives you 0. So here also it is 2. So 2 minus 2 again gives you 0. So change the third row. R3 changes to R3 minus 2 R1. So which row remains the same? First row remains the same. 1 minus 4 minus 1 remains the same. And here 0 minus 1, 1 remains the same into A. Okay. For the second row what you have to do is we have to multiply the first row with the 2 and subtract. So 2 minus 1 into 2. That is 2 minus 2, 0. Again 2 minus we can calculate as 2 minus 2 into minus 4, isn't it? 2 minus 2 into minus 4. So 2 plus 8 will give you the value 10. The next one is 3 minus 2 into minus 1. That is 3 plus 2 which gives you the value 5. Again third row what happens? The same thing. 2 minus 2 0. The next element is minus 3 minus 2 into minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 4 is 8 plus 8 minus 3 gives you 5. Again 3 minus 2 into minus 1. So 3 plus 2 again gives you 5. Second row again the same, 0 minus 0. So no change, it is 0. What happens here? 1 minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 is 2 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 gives you 3. And here 0 minus 2 into 1 gives you minus 2. Third row 1 minus 0 into 2 is 1 itself. 0 minus 2 into minus 1 which gives you 2. And 0 minus 2 into 1 gives you minus 2. Again what you have to do, we have to make the second row, second element as 1. So here also it is easy to transform second row and the interchange the second row and the third row. So first row remains the same, 1 minus 4 minus 1, 0, 5, 5 will be the second row, 0, 10, 5 will be the third row. Here also 0 minus 1, 1 first row remains the same, 1, 2 minus 2 will be the second row, 0, 3 minus 2 will be the third row into A. Okay, so again we have to make this element 1. What we can do is divide throughout the second row with the 5. So R2 changes to R2 divided by 5. So first row remains the same, 1 minus 4 minus 1. Third row also the same, 0, 10, 5 is equal to right side first row is the same, 0 minus 1, 1. Third row is also the same, 0, 3 minus 2 into A. So instead of second row, we have to divide with the 5. So it becomes 0, 1, 1. And here it becomes 1 by 5, 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5. So we'll write here 0, 1, 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, and minus 2 by 5. Okay, again what we have to do is we have to make these two elements 0. So what we can do, R1 changes to R1 plus 4R2. And R3 changes to R3 minus 10R1. Okay, so which row remains the same? Second row remains the same. 0, 1, 1. Here also 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and minus 2 by 5 remains the same into A. First row R1 plus 4 into R2. So 1 plus 0. 1 itself. Again here we have to multiply with 4 and add. So minus 4 plus 4 gives you 0. Here also we have to multiply with the 4. So 4 into 1 4 minus 1 gives you 3. Here also 0 plus 4 into 5 which gives you 4 by 5. What about the next value? Minus 1 plus 4 into 2 by 5, isn't it? So when we take the LCM, we are getting minus 5 plus 8 by 5. We are getting 3 by 5. The next value, 1 plus 4 into minus 2 by 5. So 5 minus 8 by 5, which gives you the value minus 3 by 5. Okay. What about the third row? Third row, what we have to do is R3 minus 10R1. Not R1, sorry, it's R2. R2. So we have to multiply the second row with the 10 and subtract. So 0 minus 0, since it is 0, no changes there. 10 minus 10 into 1, that is 10 minus 10, 0. 5 minus 10 into 1, that is minus 5. And what happens to the right side? Right side is 0 minus 10 into 1 by 5. So we'll give you the value minus 2. The next element, 3 minus 10 into 2 by 5. Again will get cancelled. 3 minus 4, it is minus 1. Again minus 2 minus 10 into minus 2 by 5. Here also it will get cancelled, giving you minus 2 plus 4, which is 2. Again the last step is we have to make this minus 5 1. What we can do is just divide throughout with the 5. So R3 changes to R3 by minus 5. So what we get is 103 011 001 equal to right side 4 by 5, 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5. We have to divide with the minus 5. So it will be 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5 into A. Okay, again what we have to do, we have to make this 1 and 3 zeros. So R2 changes to R2 minus R3. Okay, and R1 changes to R1 minus 3R3. So which row remains the same? Third row, 0, 0, 1 remains the same. Here 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5 remains the same into A. R2 minus R3. So just subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Again 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5 is minus 1 by 5. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is 1 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 will give it minus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5, which is 0. What happens to R1? 1 minus 3 into R3. That means we have to multiply with the 3 and subtract. So 1 minus 3 into 0 is 1 minus 0, which gives you the value 1. Again these two elements are 0, so nothing happens, it is 0 itself. 3 minus 1 into 3 will give you 0. So we got the identity matrix. And on the right side we can calculate 4 by 5 minus 3 into 2 by 5. So denominators are the same. 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 will give you minus 2 by 5. So the first term is minus 2 by 5. What about the second element? 3 by 5 minus 3 into 1 by 5. So it gives you the value 0. And again the last element, minus 3 by 5 minus 3 into minus 2 by 5. That is minus 3 by 5 plus 6 by 5. Denominators are the same. So we'll give you the value 3 by 5. Okay. So we got the identity matrix on the left side. So the inverse of the matrix will be minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5.